So today we'll use the backtop component to work on the footer. First, let's create a new component. So open your code editor, go to Components, Common, and here create a new file called footercopyright.js. We'll create functional component, so add function footerCopyright. Inside return, let's add a div tag with the text footerCopyright. We can then export default footerCopyright. Now let's import this component under app.js. So on top, import footerCopyright. Then at the bottom, let's add footerCopyright element. Let's check the preview and we can see footerCopyright. It means our component is working. Now let's add this copyright text. So inside this div tag, add another div tag with a class container. On the parent div tag, let's add a class footerCopyright. Inside container, add a div tag with a class copyright. Then you can add your copyright text. To add this image, we will add another div tag. We'll add a class to top. Then to add the image, we will use the img tag. Now on top, let's import that image. Then in this img tag, we can use src attribute and we can use payment. Let's also use the alt attribute and the text payment. Let's take the preview and we can see both copyright text and an image. Now let's add this go to top icon using backtop component. So open nDesign, click components and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click backtop and under this basic, click show code. Copy the import of backtop. You can paste them at the very top. Then after this container div, let's add the backtop element. Check the preview and we can see the backtop component is working. Great. This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.